If your spinach has been growing for about a month, you might be starting to wonder, how do I know when it's ready and can I harvest it now? Hi, I'm Valerie with Now Gardening, and I'm here with you on this wonderful spring day. Hopefully I'm not going to get rained on because I'm here to show you how to harvest baby spinach leaves. But first, if you haven't joined me already, please click on subscribe down below so we can grow together. And now let's get on to those baby spinach leaves. Spinach is a cool weather plant that thrives in the spring climate. After sowing spinach seeds, it takes about 40 to 45 days before the first leaves are ready to harvest, depending of course on the growing conditions during that time. In my case, we had ideal growing conditions here during the month of March, and so I planted my seeds at the beginning of March and was able to harvest the first leaves by the beginning of April, and have continued to harvest the leaves about every 4 days, and I should be able to do this until about early July, when the high temperatures of summer and the long days here in France will cause the spinach to start to bolt and go to seed, and that will end the growing season. As you might already know, spinach can be harvested as the full-grown plant. You can leave it to grow, or you can begin harvesting the leaves and enjoy baby spinach throughout the growing season. It's super easy to do, so let's get started. What you see here are the spinach plants that I'm currently harvesting from. They might look a little overcrowded, but this was done intentionally because I sowed them close together knowing that I was never going to let them grow into full-grown plants, that I was going to harvest the leaves. This guy has his leaves around him, and then he has this little center part in the middle. Well, we want to make sure that we don't touch that. So the leaves I'm going to take really just depend on the size of leaves I want. I usually take the leaves that are about this size. And so on this plant, for example, you saw that leaf I took. I can also take this one. And I could take any of these leaves if I wanted to. These are fine to take as well. This would truly be baby spinach. But I tend to stick to these leaves that are a little bit bigger. And you can see probably the little bits here, the little stems that are still sticking out, those are from leaves that I have previously taken. And the spinach just continues to grow here from the center and spread out. So always take the leaves that are growing on the outside of the plant, not the tender leaves that are growing in the middle. And so that's really all there is to it. I hope this video has been helpful for you. If it has, please click like or leave a comment down below. And I look forward to seeing you next time. Bye!